Here is a tree built not from numbers, but from letters. The try. It is the structure hiding behind every autocomplete you have ever used. Every path, from the root downward, spells out a word, one letter per step. And here is the trick. Words that share a prefix also share the very same path. Cat, car, and card all begin with CA. A. So they walk the same first two steps and only then branch apart. That shared beginning is stored exactly once. So type C, then A, and you've walked just two nodes. Everything hanging below you is every word that begins with CA. Car, card, care, cart. Collect the branches, and there is your autocomplete list. And lookups do not depend on how many words you have stored, only on the length of the word itself. A try with 1,000,000 words finds any one of them in the time it takes to simply spell it. A try does not search through your words. It walks inside them, one gentle letter at a time.